बहुत अच्छा रहा भाजी। जैसे ही आया मैं भी नर्वस था और डरा हुआ था, क्योंकि ये लुक पहले मैंने लाइफ में कभी ऐसे नहीं मैं बना हूँ। तो मुझे था पता नहीं शायद गालियाँ ना पड़ें कि ये क्यों बना तुम ऐसे। तो इस चीज़ का मुझे ज़्यादा डर था। ट्रेलर मैंने देखा था, बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर था, तो उसकी मुझे टेंशन कब अपनी ज़्यादा थी कि मुझे गालियाँ ना पड़ें कि ये क्यों ऐसे क्यों बना तो। लेकिन वो बिल्कुल उल्टा हुआ। वो सब ने वो लुक बहुत पसंद किया और मैंने वो कॉस्ट्यूम ले लिया है। पहले ले लिया था, मैं कहा अगर तो अच्छा बना तो एक आधी वीडियो कर दूंगा उसके बाद भी। तो मैंने ले लिया कॉस्ट्यूम, तो मैं एक और वीडियो भी करूंगा पर्सनली। बहुत अच्छी लगा।
Honestly, nervousness तो थी uh, because I guess when you're trying to do something अलग जो it's not been done before, there's no reference point for it, so you don't know if it's going to be palpable enough for the audience or not. I mean, कभी-कभी उस चीज़ का doubt रहता है. So I guess that was the only thing we were a little like, will people welcome something like this? Because it's, I mean, by nature it's a love story, right? But there's this ghost, and it's the love story of this ghost. So will people get onto that? I think that was something that we were a little, I won't say like worried, but like that little anxiety was like कि कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. But the response has been so phenomenal, and I'm grateful for that. That I don't know, like I just actually asked somebody just now recently. I just asked my manager. I said, "This is real, right? I mean, ऐसा कुछ fake तो नहीं है ना? मतलब this is real." So yeah, it feels great. A lot of good support has come from my friends in the industry also. So we're excited, yeah, we're excited and very encouraged by this response.
यार अगर ये लोग नर्वस थे, आप मेरी हालत इमेजिन कर लो. It's funny, if finally putting your work out there, something you've been trying to put together for about 2 years now. It's been overwhelming. बहुत ही अच्छा response आ रहा है. At least that's what we are being told by the team. So yeah, I mean, it's great. It's encouraging. Yeah.
So the story is that Anshay, who's been a friend for many years, since he was in assistant director actually, and he's very good friends with my brother. My brother and me, obviously, yeah, producers on the film. So he discussed this idea with my brother, and the idea came from a friend of his who got
Actually
married to a
tree.
tree.
Okay.
And they used to make fun of his friend, and ऐसे मजाक मजाक में बोलते थे कि वहाँ पे कोई भूत होगा तो तेरे पे चढ़ जाएगा types. So he got that idea from there, and he discussed it with Kannu, with Karnesh. Sorry,
Kannu
So he's
bhaiya,
told me not
Kannu
to
bhaiya.
take his pet name.
Yeah.
And we as a company are always looking for new stories, unique ways of telling stories, and I think this film lends itself to that. It is a unique way of telling story because there's a character that's been completely recreated with VFX, and it is a different story because it is a love story, but it is, it's been said in a way that is, I guess, what people are calling intriguing. And I guess we all collaborated and got down to writing, and Anshay and Anvita worked on that. Anvita, that is the writer of the film. And yeah, we are here today.
जी, मुझे अन्विता मैम और अंशाय सर और करनेश पाजी और चैतन्य सर ये मिले थे जब फिल्म मुझे सुनाई गई, तो मुझे स्टोरी अच्छी लगी, तो मैं बस पार्ट बन गया जी फिल्म का। ऐसे कैरेक्टर मुझे पंजाबी फिल्मों में कम मिलते हैं थोड़े। मैं ज़्यादातर रोम कॉम ही जॉनर ज़्यादा किया पंजाबी फिल्म में। एक ही पिक्चर की थी पंजाब 1984, वो कुछ सीरियस सब्जेक्ट पे थी। बाकी बॉलीवुड में दोनों सब्जेक्ट बिल्कुल अलग मिले उड़ता पंजाबी और ये बिल्कुल अलग। आई एम हैप्पी के सेम वैसे नहीं मिला जो पंजाब में मैं करता हूँ। सो आई एम हैप्पी इस बात के।
I think chemistry is actually about actors, not about like their performances and what they're given, the characters that they're given. I think the way Anshay and Anvita has written the love story in a way that it is that has that old world charm, and the आँखों ही आँखों में प्यार वाली वो जो होती थी ना, love stories, that kind of love story. So I think we just had to just be honest to those characters and play those characters with utmost honesty, I think, which we've tried to do. So I guess what people are reacting to is that, and I guess like Anshay was just saying a while back that me and दिलजीत हमने ज़्यादा ऐसे बात नहीं करी थी, because दिलजीत कम बोलते हैं और सेट पे थोड़ा मैं भी चुप ही रहना चाहती हूँ फोकस करने के लिए, बट दैट हेल्प आई थिंक, बिकॉज वो इसमें जो एक क्या बोलेंगे उसको,
अनकही बातें जो आप बोल जाते हैं, बिकॉज एक बॉन्ड था। ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग बात नहीं करते थे सेट पे बॉन्ड था
कम करने थे।
कम बातें
मैंने
करते
कुछ
थे।
अजीब साउंड करा दिया ना।
But that worked for the film. Yeah, it worked for us. It worked really well, actually. Very honestly, the entire experience is a blur. As a debutant director, वो 60 दिन कहाँ निकल जाते हैं शूटिंग के आपको समझ नहीं आता. You're just trying to sort of make sense of आपने 1-1.5 साल से जो लिखा हुआ है, just to get it on film and on camera, and that really goes off in a flash. You start on day 1 and then you're on day 60, and that is how exactly it went by. Having said that, it was a lot of fun. Of course, there are pressures, and you deal with them. And yeah, but it's just been. They're great producers. Yeah, we had a great team on board that make this journey very enjoyable. And also, when you have actors like Diljit, Anushka, Suraj, Mehreen, they make. And in fact, the supporting cast also, the secondary cast of the film is also really, really good. What that does is it makes your day really enjoyable. When the actors start responding to you, or you start responding to the actors, and they take the scene that you've written on paper to another place altogether, I guess that's the biggest happiness you look for. And yeah, we sort of had a really good time doing it.